Back to my channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY Christmas greeting card. As you know that Christmas is on the upcoming date, so I thought an idea to share some beautiful ideas greeting card for Christmas. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. Now for making the greeting card you are required here with red color cardstock, and you fold it into the half like a greeting, and after that take here a piece of drawing sheet and fold it into half and just draw here a semicircle pattern. I am highlighting this and just cut it like this as I am showing. Like this means you are required here with the pattern. Now after that take here again one drawing sheet and fold it into half and just make here a pattern like this and just cut it similarly. Now afterwards take here a long strip of black cardstock and just using Fevicol secure it and just flap it over the card in the center. Now after that take the upper part pattern and similarly add glue to its back. And flap it over the black strip like this on the top. Similarly take the bottom pattern and just secure it. Now after that take here one piece of belt or this golden color square with the cutted window and stick it in the center like this, and take here one closer and just stick it like this on the upper side. Now the outer part is done. Now let's decorate the inner part. So take here a piece of silver color glitter foam sheet and a pencil, and I have made here circles. So I am just tracing out, and the radius of the circle is about 2.5 centimeter, and just cut it using scissor. Now just add Fevicol on the three sides of the card and stick these circles. Now I have sticked the circles. Now just draw some lines like this as I am showing. Now let's decorate the bottom part. So take here one piece of green color paper, and I have drawn here some gifts type to write a note, and I'm just measuring it. You can prefer according to the choice. Now using black sketch just you give it finishing. like this. Now I am writing here now I am sticking it accordingly here. Now to decorate this, I have taken here small pieces of ribbon bow and I am sticking it using double-sided tape. Remove its liner and just stick it like this. And I have sticked the bows on all gifts. Now I am sticking here again ribbon bow of red color. Like this. Now I am sticking here one rose sticker, and outside also I am sticking these small one crystals like a buttons to decorate it. So here I have written some wishes, and inside this and I have stick some stones again. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye.